Hey everyone, today we're diving into this VOPLLS home theater projector. Let's take a closer look at it and go over some of its cool features. As you open it up, you'll find the instructions manual on top along with a quick guide and cleaning tips for the lens. Next we have the remote, which uses two AAA batteries. Then we have the HDMI cord and power cord. The power cord is nice and long to give us some flexibility. Finally, here's the projector itself. It's got a sleek design with ports for USB, headphones or speakers, and the HDMI lens cover on the front. The projector tilts all the way up in the vertical position and goes down as well. And you can mount it on tripod or projector stand. Now let's talk about the performance. This projector delivers a great picture even in rooms that aren't completely dark. It's got automatic keystone correction and autofocus. Comes with genuine Netflix authorization and supports for 4K inputs with screen mirroring for both Android and Apple devices. Super straightforward to set it up, and apps like Netflix, YouTube, and Prime Video are ready to go. In short, it's fantastic compact projector with an easy setup and a responsive remote. If you're looking for a home theater upgrade, this one is definitely worth checking out.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Please support my channel by hitting the like and subscribe buttons, and have yourself a great day.